Hey everyone, it's Brian with GreyWolf Towers again. So this video is going to be an unboxing video, and this one is kind of just a little cheapy one because I wanted to let you all know that bling or flare or whatever you want to call it does not have to be expensive. Although some items like say an RTX 2080 Ti with all the LED and RGB flare to it, that's going to run you a lot. It's going to run you more than a standard model, for instance. This, however, is about $13 plus tax on Amazon, at least currently. And it is a nice little kit that includes 2 fans. This specific model is blue. And then it also has the adapter for controlling the RGB LED strips. Now these LED strips are just LED, they are blue as well. But the cool thing is that you put the fans in, you plug this into the little adapter and this into the power supply, and what it does is it allows you to raise and lower the power going to the strips so that it dims or brightens them based on the amount of power that you set it to. Now it is a click button, not a remote, so once it's installed you set it and then you hide it where you want to hide it. It is not going to be easily accessible. You're going to have to go into the case wherever you put it in order to adjust it. So make sure you adjust your settings the way you want them to be, or you can just plug these in and let them go. I've done that on the systems that I've used these on, and honestly they look great at full power. The fans I haven't used yet, but I've used these LED strips before. They work great. The fans are fans. I mean, come on, case fans work pretty good no matter which manufacturer you get them from. But any kind of flare for 13 bucks, 2 fans, 2 LED strips, gives you a lot of variety and a lot of stuff to play around with so that you can, try different configurations and things. So keep that in mind. Great little budget item so that you can add a little extra flair to your computer without breaking the bank. They also had red and I believe green, but I went with blue because I think blue, in my opinion, is kind of a cooler color than most others, and it will work alongside most of the builds that I do, especially when I do white. I like that cold, icy theme, and the blue mixed with white seems to add a little bit of that cool flair, like an ice cave type flair, not cool as in like I'm a cool person. It's cool like temperature wise. It makes it look frozen and cooler. So anyway, thanks for watching everyone. As usual, if you found this entertaining or enjoyable or educational, make sure that you hit the like button down below. If you want to keep up to date on our videos, make sure you hit the subscribe button, and I'll try and link it here, but it'll also be linked down below. And as always, make sure you leave a comment if you have any questions or comments that you'd like to leave regarding the product or the channel. If you have any questions for myself, things like that, go ahead and leave those down below as well. And I hope you all have a great day. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.